Hey, Twin Cities, it's eXp Realtor David Garves coming to you. Hey, the weather outside is frightful, the holiday season is in full bloom, and the November real estate numbers are out. Let's take a look. Let's begin by looking at the November sales data, and we'll start that by looking at the positive numbers we see in prices, where the average sales price of $321,000 was up over 10% compared to last November's sales price, and year-to-date sales prices are up as well. Even when we break those prices down by price per square foot, we see prices up over 7% both for the month of November as well as year-to-date numbers. Where we begin to see some concern, however, is when we look at our increase in supply numbers, with 12% more homes coming to the market in November than the previous year. At the same time, we see demand is off a bit from a year ago, as slightly fewer homes sold in November this year than the year before, and leaves us off more than 3% year to date from 2018. In any market, when supply increases and demand drops, we have to at least pay extra attention to that market. And because these numbers are happening across the country, we're beginning to see news reports like this one from CNBC, which tells us mortgage applications are down 5%, or the fact that Wall Street is looking at those numbers too and really expecting things to slow down, as real estate companies like RE/MAX, Realty, and Redfin have all seen their stock prices drop by more than 30% during the year, and even real estate influenced companies like Zillow and Wells Fargo have seen their stock prices hit by more than 20% during 2018. And while those type of news stories have some home buyers questioning the market and plenty of salacious news reports talking about another housing bubble, when we just look at what the experts are telling us, there's virtually no one that thinks home prices are on the verge of depreciation. What I did is I looked at all the projections of experts as to where home prices are going to be in 2019. Found that 105 projections, and of those projections, 104 say prices are going to continue to appreciate going into 2019 and through 2019. That's over 99% of the experts that agree prices will continue to move up. Similarly, when we ask the leaders in the fields who actually work in real estate, we see that each one of those projections, home prices will continue appreciating not just into 2019, but for the years to follow. Although it's at slower rates than we become accustomed to over the last 6 years, they agree there is no bubble. And what's especially important to remember is that while slower appreciation rates might not be as interesting, they are healthy. Remember, a balanced real estate market is about 6 months of inventory, and currently our Twin Cities real estate market has only 2 months. So a little balancing of our market will be wonderful to create a strong, steady, and sunny real estate road for 2019. All right, you guys, that's what's happening in the market. Have a fantastic holiday season. We'll see you next month. Make 2019 a great one.